So this is the treadmill. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to be doing a cardio session. So it's got to be for a minute and 20 minutes. We're going to do 25 minutes. We're going to be doing it on the hill climb setting. Okay? Before we do that, I've got to teach you how to get on and off the treadmill and how it works. Okay? So first of all, to avoid any unnecessary injuries, we always get on and off using the sides. Okay? Because that way, if the belt does start moving, we're not going to get hit. So we put one foot on one side, one foot on the other, and we just shuffle our way all the way down to the console, holding our hands on the console, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose the setting we need. So we go Profile Manager, okay? We're going to be doing 25 minutes, so we add it to 25 minutes, press the quick start button, and then we select which type we're going to use. Today we're going to use the hill climb, okay? We would suggest that you're probably intermediate. So then it's going to do your countdown and then it's going to start, alright? What I want us to do is slowly get onto the treadmill when we're comfortable, placing one foot on, then the other foot on, using the heel-toe technique. Okay, so we're using the heel-toe technique to start. Then we're going to increase the speed to a speed we feel comfortable with just to start with, okay? So we'll probably go for a slow jog. So 5.5 kilometers is a really slow jog. I probably need to increase the speed slightly. And then when we do feel comfortable, we can take our hands off the console and we can start using them to help us run. Okay? When we're doing this, I want us to use the right technique, so our back stays straight, our head's up, and we're using the heel-toe technique. Okay? And I want to make sure our hips, knees, and ankles are all in line. So we're going to do this, and we're going to complete this session for 25 minutes, and when we come to an end, we're going to get off the same way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to then place my hands on the central reservation, then onto the sides, and when I feel comfortable, I'm going to jump off the machine, back onto the sides, and I'm going to press the stop button. Obviously with you, you're going to slow it down, so it'll be a little bit easier. Okay, so once we press stop, the whole machine is stopped. We're going to swap our feet round and we're going to shuffle our way off the machine. Feel like you take it like that? Yeah, okay, when you're ready, take it go. Right, so when you're ready, you can select Profile Manager. You need to increase it by 15 minutes, so the plus 10, and another 10 minutes. Plus 1 minute. Good, and you press the start button. Okay, and then you select the appropriate one. Okay, and then when you're ready, start. And as you can see, it's going to move really slowly, and when you're comfortable, jump onto the treadmill using the heel-toe technique, slowly increasing speed.
About 5 minutes.
Yeah, maybe 6, I'll probably say about 6 will be comfortable for a slow jog. Yeah, can you feel that? You think that's about a jog speed? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Light jog, perfect. So let's try and keep them knees in line. Yeah, your hips are in line, your ankles are in line. Make sure them knees are staying in line. Superb. How you find that so far? Pretty easy. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being super easy and 10 being pretty hard. About 3, yeah? Okay, let's keep it like that at the moment. Obviously, it is a hill climb, so elevation will increase. The speed may not though, so it's more about the speed to stay constant as we make this big whole time. So what we're going to do after a couple of minutes of back up a rewalk, we'll go back into it, okay? Right, so what I suggest is us just increase that speed slightly. I'll probably say to 7.5 kilometers, and that'll be a tasty jog for you. Good. That's probably a little bit more than that jog, not much Okay. So now we've slightly increased it. What would you say? Would you say this, the RPEs on the scale of 10 now? About 5, okay. Right, we'll keep it at that for a minute. Just want to see you slowly increasing that speed. Good technique, your back's nice and straight, heads up, good. Superb. So you jog a lot?
Not really, it's just amazing.
Okay, so you do, yeah, so you don't obviously have to still take part in football? Close it down. Sorry? Here and there. But it's not something you do regularly on a weekly basis? Okay. Do you do any sports in particular apart from?
Would you class weight training as a sport?
Well, yeah, it depends, especially if you're going to competition and stuff like that, then yeah, it would definitely be like that. But you do weight training quite often as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good, good. So you'll find it easy when we come to the next section of the exercise program. This is the cardio section, you want to get to the weights. Right, how are you finding that now? Still about a 5? Or? Yeah, good. Right, what we'll do now is slightly increase the speed. We'll increase it to 8.5 now. We should start to feel it become a run rather than a jog. Good. Does that increase slightly?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Leave it there. Obviously this is the last point at your elevation being where it is. It will then increase, so you'll be running at a higher incline. Good technique so far though, Julius. Let's keep that up. Good, superb. So you may feel the treadmill start to increase. And there is a slight elevation now. Good. How you find now? You're okay? Yeah. No injuries or anything that's coming from it? Perfect. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say this is?
6.
Good. So we want it to be around a 6 anyway. So let's keep this going. Good. Superb. Excellent. Keep that going.